Inspired by our visit from Vitus Audio over the weekend, I thought it'd be a really good idea to talk about the system we were showing our customers over the weekend. The system itself is extremely simple, and that's one of its beauties. Simple CD player, simple preamplifier, simple power amplifier. The technology inside is mind-blowing. Starting with the SCD025 player, top loading machine, no mechanical parts, not even any magnets in the little clamp, because they could create little eddy currents. So the attention to detail that goes into these machines is just, it's meticulous. Hans Vitus is a meticulous guy. No stone is unturned in the trying to find perfection in every component that we've got here. The CD player can double as a digital to analog converter, and it's described as a DAC with a CD disk drive built into it. It is a thoroughbred CD player, and the results we were getting over the weekend were, well, absolutely brilliant. The player simply connects into the preamplifier, which is probably the most important component within the system. The idea of the preamplifier is to give you the most consistent volume control that you can, and simple switching between inputs to make the system flexible. The volume is stepped so that each volume step has the same dynamic range as the one before and one after it, so that when you turn the volume down you don't get a compression on the sound, and the sound doesn't fall away, the soundstage remains solid regardless of the volume level you play the system at. Moving down to the SS103 stereo power amplifier, yeah, he's 78 kilos. Of that, 30 kilograms is the power supply inside the box itself on the chassis. Incredible power supply, which took Hans Ole Vitus over 4 years to develop. Its efficiency is incredible. It'll only lose a maximum of 2% of its power regardless of how hard you drive it. This compares favourably with quite a few other designs, and particularly some transformers which can lose up to 15 to 20% of their power. So when you measure the power of a Vitus amplifier, although on paper 50 watts per channel doesn't sound very much, the fact that you can actually access and use every single one of them, believe you me, it's not short of power. We don't call them wattifiers, we call them amplifiers for a good reason. Speakers we used were the Bowers & Wilkins 802 Diamond 3 series. We have an AVID turntable hooked up to the system as well, the Vitus, which customers were welcome to bring in vinyl and listen to. All in all, I think the system itself was, with people who came to listen to it, they actually were saying that it's one of the best sounds they've ever heard in the demonstration room, in terms of balance, in terms of ease, in terms of scale. I can't disagree with them because it was pretty epic. We were sitting here listening to CD after CD and didn't want to stop playing, and that's the sign of a really, really good system. So all in all, I have to say, our event over the weekend, the guys and girls who came in to listen to the system were totally and utterly blown away. And yeah, if anybody is interested and wants to come in and hear it, they'll have to let us know in advance, so we can get everything set up for them, and be our pleasure, because we enjoy listening to it as well.